done it. I have made the ultimate weapon of the century with just two things. A Zone 28 cup and a rubber duck. Introducing the duck launcher. The worst spread you've seen in your life. No attachments. Actually, can you? Attachments that do not help at all and will come off in an extra projectile when you throw it. Hours of endless fun. Why can't I hit the target? And it can also be used in the bath. I hit a 20! Like, did you guys see that? I'll go over editing. I'll probably go over editing. Not. I must fix this. The people must see by 20 people must see the 20 that I have made by acting like this is a water. I must show that the duck launcher is efficient. That it's the most efficient weapon in the modern age. I have to show them by giving them a 1 hour video of me trying to hit a duck into a 20. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can do this. Well, hey, at least hit the target. I actually hit it that time. Except it didn't bounce, so it didn't count. Maybe if I use a scope. Maybe if I use a scope, I can do. Maybe I could do this with a scope. Alright. There's a spider in here, so I have to like pull it around. Yes, I did not forget to take. Hey, yes, I won't forget to take my daily reward. How I have to show it diagonally. It's actually pretty fun. It's actually pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. This actually feels pretty fun. Everyone will love doing this. No one will ever break your cups in half. So says I. Game. Oh, wait, I'm in the shop. That's good. Amazing! Maybe I can load it into the shotgun. Already I've loaded it into the shotgun. Let's see if it works. It's a dot. Alright, for it. Check how it's too wide to fit through the barrel. bounced again. Maybe I should be aiming for the 10. I think I had it like this when I actually got it in. It went behind me! Duck launcher. What happened? At least I was covering that pit. Okay. Yeah, whoa! Whoa! Every time I do this, the angle of it changes, making a new challenge where every time. Looks like it's sliding this time. This could be. I am so sorry. I just ate McDonald's. I thought the cat was on there for a second. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. If you wonder what happened, I burped, so I had to remove that. So. It fell behind her again. New targeting. Oh! Okay, it's closer this time. Now it's closer. What if I do it like the side? I think we have to learn like how gravity works and how momentum works. Now some other stuff out to work. Also putting this towards farther. Okay, so if I were to like do it like this, it'll go up. I'm potentially missing here. Here it will go down. But if I do it like this, it will go in the direction I want it to. So we have to do it like this. This is how we're going to do it, boys. This is how we're going to do it. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna try to get the bottom, buddy, because that's where we could get it. I think we need more momentum. I think we need more of speed. You can do this, man. You can do this. Just go into the 20, and we can win this. We can win the world championship, which isn't done yet. I can make a sport out of this. Why did Troy going into the 10? That's a great idea. We should go into the 10 because it's the biggest hole. Eep. Okay, this time I actually don't have to move the target. The Duck Olympics. Where we use the duck as it. Watch the activities we could make with this. Which one is it behind? Camera kind of feels, but it's this one. Good job. We have reloaded. Anyone has also teaches kids how to fire a hand weapon, so maybe we should send it to nominate for kids. But then again, you can't probably hurt anyone with this unless you do it like really fast. We almost got into the 20 that time. Almost into the 10. Whoa, it's a spinner! I think someone will actually laugh at me and pointing my laser at me, my mouth, and just saying, and just opening my mouth. Of no audio for 5 seconds. Maybe I can shoot at the camera. Well, I hilariously failed, as per usual. And I hit the scope of a dino assault rifle. That is nerve. Alright, 4 shots flying. 3, 2, 1. We're getting close, people. Alright, the hole that we got into there was that one. That is the hole. This one right here. Yeah, probably 40 at the other 40 hole. Okay, let's do this. Honestly, for 5, we got more height by doing this way. Maybe we need gloves. Maybe the problem is we aren't using a good ergonomic glove. Okay, there's 1. And where is 2? Where's number 2? Where's the second? And I lost it. And north bottom. Very deep. Probably very, very deep in here. We're gonna have to dig for it. Actually, it's like a one-hand thing, so let's see. It's like baseball. And you're the catcher. It's like baseball and you're the catcher. Alright, we have it in there. Maybe ergonomic gloves were the bad idea. Plus they can't even fit the handle. Wait, this is the way to do it. Maybe we need the upper glove. Maybe that's how we win. Yes. Yes, it may. Yes. Yes, that's several. It found everyone. We can beat this. We have both gloves now. I think we're good. We can do this, people. Should leave my room. Where did the duck go? Oh, found it. It's pretty quick. Alright, people. I know I'm the only person in this sport right now. I'm going competitive in this sport, but we can do this. We can get into either the 20 or the 10. Watch out! Spin! Oh, it's not spinning. And you couldn't even see it. Maybe cracking duckles is needed. Nope. I think we should be wearing some sort of protection. Actually, we should be wearing protection, so. Let's think safe for a moment. Let's think safe. Let's think safe for a second here. The bar was already broke off before this happened. Alright, now we should be able to safely propel it without it hitting our eyes or our head. Why am I taking gun safety all of a sudden? If only we had a sight of the side. Your sides don't work. Don't try it. Maybe we need to be... If possibly, we may need to go a lot higher. Wait, can we? I just want to put a lot of levels in the video, okay? Don't need to watch that. My fingers look so old. I got it. We have to amplify the barrel. I know what we have to do. We have to amplify the barrel. What's a good brown thing? Yes, this is good. Go. Bro. We have to go higher. Alright, blue key. I have no idea what any of this means. He told us a double turkey sandwich. After 50 at the extra ball. Orange Happy Meals, go! Maybe this is the short range weapon. It would have to do with how we did it. Plus it is actually short range, so. Plus this is actually a short range, so. I was hitting it at long range, so and long range does not work. But this is a medium to short range. New development is a medium to short range. I meant medium range. There's still a challenge here somehow. Maybe we just get into part 20. Aim for the 10! Oh, gosh, we did it! After 20 minutes. God, it's like a movie.